Welcome to the Fact Edge, where we dive deep into the questions that shape our future. Today, we're tackling a question that might be keeping you up at night. Will AI replace human jobs? Every day, headlines warn us about artificial intelligence coming for our livelihoods. But what's actually happening? Is this just another technological panic, or are we truly facing a job apocalypse? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly which jobs are at risk, which are safe, and most importantly, how you can position yourself to thrive in an AI-transformed economy. Let's separate fact from fiction. Before we panic about AI, let's look back. We've been here before, sort of. The agricultural revolution moved 90% of the workforce off farms. The industrial revolution transformed manufacturing. The computer revolution changed offices forever. Each time, jobs disappeared, but new ones emerged. But here's why AI feels different. Speed. Earlier transitions happened over generations. AI is evolving at breakneck pace. ChatGPT reached 100 million users in just 2 months. Second, scope. Previous revolutions affected specific sectors. AI is impacting nearly every industry simultaneously. Third, intelligence. Previous technologies replaced physical labor or simple mental tasks. Today's AI can write, design, analyze data, make predictions, hold conversations, and is rapidly improving. So yes, this time is different, but that doesn't automatically mean mass unemployment. Let's look at what the research actually shows. A 2023 study by OpenAI found that approximately 80% of the U.S. workforce could have at least 10% of their tasks affected by large language models alone. The most vulnerable jobs share these characteristics. Predictable patterns. If your job follows clear rules and patterns, AI can learn them. Data-heavy decisions. If decisions in your field are based on processing large amounts of information, AI excels here. Limited physical manipulation. AI still struggles with complex physical tasks. According to research from Goldman Sachs and MIT, these occupations face the highest risk. Data entry specialists with near 100% automation potential. Telemarketers at 95%. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks at 87%. Customer service representatives at 79%. Paralegals and legal assistants at 78%. Retail salespeople at 75%. Market research analysts at 65%. And content creators for standardized material at 62%. But these numbers don't tell the whole story. Let's look at what's already happening in real workplaces right now. In February 2024, IBM announced suspending hiring for 7,800 jobs that could be replaced by AI. Legal research firm Thomson Reuters reduced their workforce by 3,000 in 2023, citing AI efficiencies. Walmart deployed AI inventory management systems, reducing certain warehouse positions by 30%.
I worked in medical transcription for 15 years. Last year, our department switched to an AI system that transcribes doctor notes. The accuracy was shocking, over 95%. Our team went from 12 people to just 3 who review the AI's work.
But there's another side to this story. A study of 1,500 companies using AI found that 37% actually increased their workforce after implementation. Why? Because in many cases, AI doesn't replace entire jobs. It transforms them. Think about your job as a collection of tasks. Some tasks are automatable, others aren't. Take radiologists. AI can now detect certain cancers in scans with greater accuracy than humans. That sounds like bad news for radiologists, right? But here's what's actually happening. Radiologists are using AI to screen routine cases, freeing their time for complex diagnoses, patient consultations, and treatment planning. The high-value human work. This pattern is repeating across industries. Lawyers use AI for document review, focusing more on strategy and negotiation. Marketing professionals use AI for content generation, focusing more on strategy and creative direction. Customer service representatives handle fewer routine inquiries, focusing on complex problem solving. This brings us to a critical insight. Most jobs won't be entirely eliminated, but nearly all jobs will be transformed. McKinsey estimates that about 60% of occupations will have at least 30% of their activities automated, but only about 5% will be fully automatable. The key question becomes, can you adapt to work alongside AI? So which careers are most resistant to AI replacement? Jobs requiring these elements elements face the lowest risk. Complex physical work. Plumbers, electricians, construction workers, creative problem solving, engineers, designers, scientists, emotional intelligence, therapists, nurses, teachers, social navigation, management, sales, leadership, politics. According to research, these fields have less than 20% automation potential. Healthcare practitioners, especially those providing direct patient care. Education, particularly early childhood and special education. Skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, and specialized construction, crisis response roles in emergency management and disaster relief. Creative directors guiding creative vision rather than execution. Human-centered management. But even safe careers will incorporate AI tools. The most secure position isn't avoiding AI, it's becoming the person who knows how to leverage it. So how do you prepare for this changing landscape? 1. Become AI literate. Learn the basics of AI tools in your field. You don't need to become a programmer, but understand what AI can and cannot do. 2. Develop complementary skills. Strengthen abilities that AI lacks. Creative problem solving, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and interpersonal communication. 3. Adopt a hybrid mindset. Think of AI as a collaborator rather than a competitor. Ask yourself, how could AI handle routine aspects of my role, freeing me for higher value work? 4. Commit to continuous learning. The half-life of professional skills is shrinking. Build a habit of regular upskilling. 5. Focus on human connection. As more work becomes automated, the uniquely human elements of your job become more valuable, not less. Remember, throughout history, technology has consistently created more jobs than it destroyed. But these jobs often require different skills and appear in different sectors. The question isn't whether AI will take your job, it's whether you'll adapt to work alongside it. AI isn't just changing jobs, it's changing how we define work itself. This transformation will create challenges, but also unprecedented opportunities. The true dividing line won't be between humans and AI. It will be between humans who know how to leverage AI and those who don't. If you found this analysis valuable, hit subscribe for more fact-based deep dives on the topics shaping our future. This is The Fact Edge, where curiosity meets clarity. Join us next week when we investigate whether modern smartphones are actually designed to be addictive. The answer might surprise you.